Well, should a recording of a confession by accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, be admitted as evidence in court? This is the question before the High Court in Pretoria. This as the defense in the For Meyiwa murder trial challenged the authenticity of that recording made by a magistrate back in June of 2020. Well, the defense has told the court that the recording violates the rights of the accused as it was made without the accused's knowledge. eNCA's Manqoba Mchunu has more on this.
A recording of a confession allegedly made by accused Bongani Ntanzi under scrutiny yet again.
Submit, my Lord, with respect that the recording is relevant as the court can listen to the recording in order to determine whether accused number 2 has firstly made the statement and secondly whether he did so freely and voluntarily.
But the question of Ntanzi's right to privacy also came under the spotlight after Magistrate Cronje had previously admitted that Ntanzi was not informed of the recording.
In this instance, the recording is the electronic version of what the accused was telling the magistrate. So we submit that there's no room to argue that his privacy was infringed. He was in front of a magistrate making a statement in terms of Section 217.
But the defense questioned its lawfulness, saying it should not be played in court.
It was only the person who took it that she knew that she was taking evidence without the knowledge of the declarant. So, in essence, such evidence, it is my submission that it should be excluded.
Yes.
These tape recordings should be excluded in the circumstances that they will definitely violate the rights that are enshrined in the Bill of Rights.
Those constitutional rights, my Lord, I submit that they ought to have been explained to the accused or to the deponent at that time before he made or before the witness proceeded with the recording. My submission, my Lord, is that as we are in a trial within a trial, until such a ruling has been made by this court, the video recording, which was unconstitutionally obtained in terms of Section 35(5), should not be played to the court because it contains incriminating evidence.
The state insists the recordings should be admitted as evidence in court. Judgment will be handed down on Friday. Manqoba Mchunu, Pretoria.